Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how could you understand different tools and indicators when you are new to the stock market, or when you are a new trader in the stock market, or whether you are an old trader, an experienced trader in the stock market. So how to understanding different tools and indicators and strategies that are applied in the stock market, or that are mostly used in the stock market. So let's get started with the video, and I will show you how does these strategies, these tools apply to your trading. So now I just pulled up a random stock, and this is the stock that I've purchased lately. So you can see I've one is this sorry one is this area wise, and the other is the candlesticks, and the other is the bar chart. So I do not use the bar chart. I under I use this chart, the candlestick chart. I use it and understand it effectively, and I can apply it in all of my stock markets or my purchases. So now let's move on to indicators. Mostly I use that. I mostly use the moving average. Where is it? The moving average, the parabolic SAR, and the Ichimoku cloud. So I use most of these while trading in the stock market. So there are some other stock indicators as well, just like the Bollinger Bands. Now you can see that this is the Bollinger Bands. When you are when you are using the Bollinger Bands, just keep in mind that when the when the stock is trading at this point, it is trading on the lower Bollinger Band, on the lower boundary of the Bollinger Band, then you should buy and sell when the stock is trading at or near the upper Bollinger Band. So that is when you will have to sell the stock. Now you can see at this area, at this place, the Bollinger Bands, the gap between the area between the Bollinger Bands is now tighten. So what it means right here is that the traders are short here, and they would trade the stocks tightly at this point. Like, they are not betting on higher prices. They are not opting for higher prices and most and the highest, the lowest low prices and the highest high prices. So they are not looking for those. They are not betting for those type of prices at this point. They are just trading the market, and they want to see. Now at this point you can see that the traders are now more what do you call they are now more interested in buying the stocks. And now you can see the area widen up here, increases right here, and again it decreases a bit right here. So now you can see again it's trying to open up, and now we will see how far it will go and how wide the gap will how far will the gap expand. So let's see about that. So now let's move BB, advance and decline. So now you can see at this point this will be now. I don't use this indicator that often, but now let's try to understand this advance and decline. So at these points you can see the stock advanced up but declined thoroughly. So now it just show you that, like, how the stock is doing, like in this case how it is performing. So now you can see it has reached further up, but it haven't broke this resistance level, and it closed at this point. And now you can see, like, the stock didn't drop below these points, but at this point you can see it broke the support level, and now it is trending below. So now again it risen, and it's trading in a sideways pattern. So we will see how now what this performs in the future as well. So I do not use this indicator more oftenly, but I just like in the video I've explained this to you guys. Now let's move on to some other indicators. So now there was, you guys probably understand the achievement, the no, sorry the relative strength index, where it is RSI. You guys probably understand this. So most of the indicators work like this. So there's an overbought and oversold area. So you should buy the stock when the stock is at its oversold area, just like in this case at sell when the stock is trading near or above the overbought area. So now this was an overbought area, again it declined, and now it is trading in sideways pattern. So we will see how this performs in the future as well. So now let's use some other indicators. So this is how the different indicators works. You guys know how to use the Ichimoku cloud, the moving average, the parabolic SAR. So these are all I use these mostly in my trading, so you guys would better know how does these indicators work. So now you can see right here, short sell when the blue line crosses the red line and the blue line is trading below the red line. So now you can see when the stock is declining, the hologram would appear below, and when it is an uptrend, it would trade above. So in this way you can see that how the stock is trading. Now at this point the blue line crosses over the red line, and and for some time it is trading above, and now it tries to cross the the blue line is now at a crossover with the red line. So now it haven't crossed the red line, and we will see how it performs in the future. So the dots here are also like they are a bit downward. So now we will see how does this perform later on. It's all about how the stocks is performing, how it is like how will it trade in the future. So it totally depends upon those things. So now let me show you my chart layout of how I laid out this chart, this particular chart. Now you will see which type of indicators I use. You guys might have known the indicators that I use mostly. So now this is a support level, this is the first resistance level, this is the second resistance level. So now it crossed the resistance level at this point, which we can know as a fake out. So now again it is trading in a bearish pattern, and now we will see how on the next trading day how will it perform. Try to ignore these type of sign because these are of no worth. These sometimes give you wrong information. So ignore these type of stocks, these type of signs. It is trading above the 200-day moving average, but I'm going to wait for it and hope and expect a better profit. It is trading above the Ichimoku cloud, the cloud, so we will see how it performs in the future as well. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.